In this video, we're going to explore the ability to add and edit tables in Canva Pro. Let's dive in and check out the quick and easy to learn feature. Before we start using Canva itself, let's quickly create a table. Although in this example we'll be using Excel and creating a table on a spreadsheet, we could just as easily use something like Word or any other software that has table creation functionality. Anyway, here we are creating a weekly planner for, let's say, the next 3 months. In order to make this a little more user-friendly, let's make the columns a little wider. And while we're at it, we can create more space in the rows as well. Next, in order to highlight some of the features in Canva, we'll add some slightly thicker lines to the table. We'll also add some additional background colours. If we later decide that we really dislike some of these design choices, Canva will assist us in making the changes. Great, our table is pretty much done. What we'll do next is export this table as a PDF. With that completed, we can now head over to Canva itself. We'll first navigate to create a design over here, and next we'll head over to upload. This is where we can upload our table PDF we just made. As usual, we'll either drag and drop or select upload files. Here we have our PDF uploaded into Canva. Let's open it up and see what we can do with it. Straight away after clicking on the table, we can see we have the capability to interact with it. We can also manipulate all elements of the table itself. So in this instance, if we want to select the table and the days of the week, we can do so and move them all around at once. Instead of moving the whole table and all the parts included, let's just reposition the days of the week so that they are more central to the columns. In fact, if we didn't like the abbreviated version of the days, we can actually change this entirely to use the full word. This will obviously require us to resize the element though, as the word won't quite fit in the original box. But let's have a look at these colours. If we click back on the table, Canva can identify the colours used. From here we can select, let's say for example, the green colour and swap it out for any of the colours from this side panel. We can also swap out the colour blue for something else. We can even change the colour of the black lines to something a little more eye-catching. This is a great way to improve or alter an existing document without having to recreate the whole thing from scratch. And that's how you can add or edit tables in Canva Pro.